Google is finally out with the new Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, as Google has introduced some of the exclusive features on Pixel 7, and one among them is so special that you guys might use often for your photos, the unblur. Now you can apply this effect to any available photo, obviously the one which is slightly blurred due to a shake or a subtle movement, which should be available in your Google Photos on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, and it will fix it using the new Tensor Gen 2 machine learning capabilities. For now, this feature is only available to a new Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, but this might be rolled out to other Pixel devices, mostly the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro later. Another cool feature you might see on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro is its new video mode, which is called Cinematic Blur, which works just like the cinematic blur on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Basically, it provides a portrait mode in the video. Just make a software blur with the new machine learning capabilities of the Tensor Gen 2 chipset. The new cameras on the Pixel 7 Pro will bring some of the new features, including the Super Res Zoom and 30x digital zoom with the new telephoto lens on the Pixel 7 Pro. There's a 2x zoom option on the Pixel 7 Pro, which uses the main 50 megapixel camera and crop it to 12 megapixel to give the crispy shot on the Pixel 7 Pro. And same goes to 10x, but this time it uses the new 48 megapixel camera to give the best shot. The new macro shot on the Pixel 7 Pro is also amazing, where it uses the new ultra wide sensor, which is 21% wider from the last year, and with the new focused pixels, it can take the macro shots. The new 11 megapixel shooter on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will now capable of recording 4K 60 FPS, so vlogger guys should have an eye on this feature of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. The face unlock is back in the game, but as per Google, you can only use this to unlock your Pixel devices, but you shouldn't use this for your banking app, since this is not secure because this is just using the front 11 megapixel selfie shooter, unlike the Apple's 3D depth sensor, but fingerprint scanner is still there, which you can use for more secure options. Google is keeping the same features from the last year Magic Eraser and transcribe audio messages, all thanks to Tensor Gen 2, but this is not it. This year, Google Pixel devices also come with the brighter displays than last year. On Pixel 7, you guys will get a 1400 nits peak brightness, and on the Pixel 7 Pro, you guys will get 1500 nits peak brightness. This year, Pixel devices are all about the new software feature using the new Tensor Gen 2 chipset, where Google improved it by 35%, which is amazing. If you want to see how powerful is your Pixel 7 Pro and the benchmarks on the Pixel 7 Pro, then you guys should check this video. I'll see you next. Until then, peace out.